Hi भैया.
Hi.
Hi. Can we ask you some questions?
Yeah, sure.
चलो पूछते हैं.
Let's go. Hi, this is Nikush Luharko and I take classes at Dance Different Kolkata.
How did you come up with Dance Different?
I started it in 2014, which is like 12 years ago. लेकिन मैंने एक Facebook page बना दिया था, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों. For 7 years it was just a page, a dream that I wanted to make something happen here as a studio, as a place for dancers to be here. And then finally at 2021, I got the opportunity कि मैं बना सकूं with a lot of dreams and a lot of hope and a lot of support from all my friends and family.
When did you start dancing?
I started dancing when I was 7 years old. पहला stage performance was in 2004 and उसके बाद तो लगा कि this is it, this is life. और कुछ करना ही नहीं है.
What dance styles you teach and what is your favorite style?
I love teaching street jazz, but I have been through the years exposed to a lot of different styles. So when I teach, there are elements of hip hop, house, locking. Once I teach it, I would like to call it as a open style rather than specifying that ये particular style सिर्फ सिखाता हूँ. But I love street jazz. Music, ISO, करा लो मुझसे जितना मैं खुश हूँ.
And an underrated dance style you wish people learn more?
ISO. I really think clarity and shapes के लिए as a dancer you really need that, and because it's a style which is a little difficult, I would say, because brain को भी train करना पड़ता है इसमें, not just your muscles. But I would love if people love isolations and music.
So when people come to a dance class, what can students expect after the class?
Students can expect to dance. That is for sure. I make sure through the years I learned very much in terms of breaking down a particular piece and making sure कि उन लोग का growth कैसे हो. That is why I love my regular classes as well, because there is a structured program in my head. I have copies at my home in which I make sure that for every student I have written something in which they need to work and what kind of choreography I need to bring into my regulars to make sure that they work on that. So every particular 4 weeks में एक particular choreography हम लोग करते हैं. उस choreography का intention अलग होता है, उस choreography का target अलग होता है. Maybe it might be just on footwork, it might be on speed changes, and I make sure that in the beginning itself they get to know कि क्या हम लोग का intention है, and accordingly we work around those 4 classes, and then again I change the intention to make sure that every student that is there in my class can work on something. Obviously, if you have done my class, you know that it's going to be a fun and very energetic environment. मस्ती मजाकी होती रहती है जैसे ये podcast है.
What's your comfort food?
Comfort food, chili garlic noodles, hands down.
One thing you love about Kolkata when it comes to dancing?
I love the connection that people have with dancing and with the people whom they are learning dancing from. Like, they don't consider art to be a place where they just come to become famous. I think Calcutta is very enriched in terms of their art form, and they respect the art so much, be it dancing or be it any other art for that matter. I think वो respect दिखता है. जो teachers यहाँ आते सिखाने, उनको भी, मुझे भी, everybody feels that. And I think that is something which is very precious, very rare to find, and I think that's the best quality I guess.
Can you show us your favorite dance move?
मेरा favorite dance move ये है. जेठालाल, this is my favorite dance move because no effort, complete 100% vibe.
A non-dance talent you have?
Making bad jokes at the wrong time. I think that is my talent.
Chai or coffee?
Chai, any day.
Beach or mountains?
Wow, mountains.
Your dream destination?
New Zealand.
3 dream artists you wish to collab with?
Oh wow. यार बहुत सबके साथ ही करना है मुझे. Guys, everybody. I would love someday in my life that I am collaborating with someone like Brian Puspos or someone like Kenichi, who has been like a mentor to me for such a long time.
What do you do to unwind after a class?
I generally hang around with you guys to unwind myself. And then we have puchka, then we crack bad jokes, make fun of each other, and I think यही है. Unwind तो यही best है.
We have seen you attending workshops. Do you also get nervous during showcase?
Oh, absolutely. I think वो एक ऐसा चीज़ है जो कभी भी लाइफ में नहीं जाता है. Just that the level of nervousness धीरे धीरे करके कम हो जाता है. You are not nervous about performing. It's just something जो दिल ऐसे दुख होता है, वो हमेशा ही होगा.
In one word, describe what dance means to you.
Life.
What's your favorite memory of dancing?
Wow. सोचने दो, बहुत सारे अच्छे मेमोरीज है. In 2014 I was selected in Broadway Dance Center, but मैं जा नहीं पाया था because of whatever reason. एंड तब से ना मैं एक गाना सुनने लगा था जो स्क्रिप्ट का है, हॉल ऑफ फेम. एंड मेरे मैनिफेस्टेशन इन माई हेड वॉज दैट वन डे इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट न्यूयॉर्क ब्रॉडवे डांस सेंटर के लोगों के नीचे मैं खड़ा होकर वही गाना सुनूंगा. सो जिस दिन वो हुआ in 2017, 18, I was absolutely overwhelmed with that particular feeling of standing in front of it and having earphones in my head with the same song. Like,
One superpower you wish you had.
I wish I could run fast so that I could be everywhere on time.
A song that instantly puts you in a good mood.
I love Aditya Rikhari songs, so any song of Aditya Rikhari, but Samjho Na Na Samajh are my like all-time favorites.
A song you wish to choreograph someday.
So there are a lot of classical instrumental pieces that come on YouTube which I have been seeing, and मतलब बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है बट बहुत ही ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग है. सो मे बी समडे आई पिक समथिंग दैट रियली वर्क्स फॉर मी.
One advice you want to give to dancers.
Just trust the process. Trust the process and trust the classes that you're going. Any person whom you are learning from, give yourself that time, give the teacher that time to make sure that they are having that particular process in their head as well, in terms of telling you what to do and what not to do. Ask questions as much as possible. Don't be shy in asking questions in class, and don't forget why you started dancing. Not for creating just videos. Videos are great, you should make it, but that was not the reason you started dancing. Probably to make you feel happy, or you wanted to feel it like an escape. So don't stop that.
Okay, this is the most important question. Who is your favorite student?
Who is my favorite student? Me. I think यही सबसे अच्छा और सही आंसर है कि मैं खुद का फेवरेट स्टूडेंट हूँ, क्योंकि मैं खुद की बात सुन लेता हूँ डांस के मामले में. बच गया.